I really believe that a team succeeds when they feel the energy from the stands and from the fans. DB Integrations came in and brought that up to the next level, and we've really seen the benefit of their projects tenfold. Hi, my name is Chris Litton. I'm the Director of Live Media here at Trinity Christian School in Sharpsburg, Georgia. We started off really trying to upgrade our on-field experience for our fans and our student athletes. And one of the ways we wanted to do that was through our audio experience as well as our LED video experience. I wanted to make sure that it was simple enough for students and parent volunteers to operate. So we actually ran with a rack-mounted unit that allowed our students and parents to use an iPad for one-touch control. Simple, it's very self-explanatory, and from an education standpoint, it's critical. Planning is essential when you're doing a project of this magnitude. There was never an email unanswered, a phone call unanswered, a text message that wasn't responded to. Really, from start to finish during this entire project, DB was there to answer any question. They're really there for you in every imaginable way possible. The people that they have on staff there know what they're doing, they're capable, and they're willing to go beyond to make sure that your project is a success. From Friday nights to movie nights on the field, this has really been just an incredible experience for our school to work with DB. It's really second to none from any other company I've worked with. I can't recommend DB enough. It hasn't been the same since they've been on campus.